Hey guys, it's Caitlin. So I haven't filmed in a very long time, but I thought I would just, as I'm getting ready today, talk and do my makeup and just bring you guys along with me. Okay, so first things first, please excuse my hair. It was pink when I woke up this morning and I've just had a shower, which is why it's wet. Washed it a few times with anti-dandruff shampoo and it worked really well. A lot of the colour has come out, the mids and ends. It's only the pink left in my roots now. This is what I'm working with now. I'm just spot concealing using the Collection Last Perfection Stretch Concealer and Eyeshadow Primer. It comes in a tub. I really like this one. It's in 2 porcelain and for me it works very well to spot conceal. It's a nice consistency. To put that on, I just used a small e.l.f. concealer brush and then I'm using this brush by Japanesque to tap it out. Then under my eyes I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour in the shade C2 and blending that out with the Japanesque brush as well. I'm just bringing the excess of that over my nose just to stop it looking so red. For my foundation today, I'm going to use some of the Anastasia Luminous Foundation and I'm going to start off taking that on a e.l.f. 105 brush. So I'm just picking it up on the very end, little hairs, and just stiffling it on. Now that that is done, I am going to move on to my eyes so that then I can work the blush and stuff off of that. My idea for my eyes is to do like a big black smoky eye, but with a bright blue like tip, like butterfly wings. For that, I'm going to start off using the P. Louise cosmetic base and taking you to the dark side, I think. I'm going to take that on a P. Louise 7072 brush like that and start putting that on the eye. Then I am going to use the Hint Dash palette and I'm going to take the Fatum shade, which is black, and take that on my brush and use this to set it. So I'm going to do a mixture of patting and then pulling. Then, to start with the kind of blue part, I'm going to start off taking the Touch of Frost cosmetic base, which is light blue, on a Super Beauty 530 brush. And I'm going to kind of go over a bit where I've done the black. And then the further away I get from the black, I'm just patting it out, trying to fade to nothing, really patting back in where the black and the blue meet, just so that is more blended. Then to deepen up and add a bit more to that blue, I am going to add the Crisp Finish cosmetic paint in Salty Air, just taking a little bit of that on that same brush and concentrating this on where the blue and black meet. So the black eyeshadow is already creasing, so I'm going to go over that with another eyeshadow to really try and set that. The Stargazer black eyeshadow on the same brush, and I'm really going to try and pack that in. And then I'm going to take a crown brush, no, fluffy brush, and blend. To go over the blue bases now, I'm going to use the Loose Pigment by the Pastel Roses in the colour Malagueta. So I'm just taking a bit of that in the cap there. I'm going to take this brush by Japanesque, it's the 712. It's kind of like a little fingertip. So I'm really going to try and press this into the brush because I don't want loads of fallout. Pressing it into my brush, tapping it, and then pressing again. Then I'm just going to very gently start tapping that where that blue and black meet. And moving around the blue area. Okay, just taking a fluffy brush just to blend out those edges, keep it soft. So I have added more to this eye. First off, I've added the loose pigment by the Pastel Roses in the shade Orion, so it has a bit more of a shift to it. And it's adding some nice texture. Adding that into the cap and just doing the same thing, same brush, sticking that in the pigment. And I've brought this also more over my lid, like over past where the black and blue meet. So this is going not kind of past my eyebrow and then also going under my eye. So that's added loads of texture and shine. And then I'm going in with the Super Beauty Hydra Liner in the shade Silver Lining, and with this I am just going to do some dots and a little star. I'm also going to add some blue glitter, so this is the Pick and Glitz Glitter Pop by Barry M. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the Glitter Fixer Gel by Barry M on the back of my hand, and then taking a clean P. Louise 7072 brush, I'm just gonna start picking that up from the back of my hand, and I'm gonna concentrate this kind of under my eye, and again, like, not past my brow. Then I'm just gonna add mascara, and that is the eyes done. So I'm starting off with the Rare Beauty mascara. For my eyebrows, I'm just going to take the 17 Precise Definition Tinted Gel in the shade Blonde and just use that just to go through my eyebrows. Very well timed. I've just had a delivery of some Glossier stuff that I ordered. I ordered the Generation G Sheer Matte Lipstick in the shade Leo. Okay, so that is the eyes done, and I also just did my lips while I was waiting for the battery to recharge a little bit. I used, where's it gone? The Barry M lip liner in the shade Toast to line my lips, and then I used the Glossier Sheer Matte Lipstick in the shade Leo to fill them in. And then I did also put a bit of the Glossier WildFigBalm.com just in the middle a little bit to add a little bit of moisture. Now I'm just gonna finish up my face, do my blush, my contour and my highlight, and then I'll be done. I'm gonna start off contouring. To contour, I'm gonna use the Salt New York Sculpt and Bronze Cream Tint Pro in the shade Contour. I think it's called something else now, I can't remember, taupe, but it's the same thing. So I'm gonna use that on, this is another Japanese brush, but I don't know what number it is again, but this one's like the one I was using earlier for concealer, except wider. And I'm just gonna take the brush I used for foundation just under that slightly to help blend and just clean that up a little bit. For my blush, I'm gonna take the one out of the Hourglass Lume Sheer Trio on another e.l.f. 105 brush. And I'm not going to highlight because I have all the glitter and eyeshadow up on my face. That is the finished look today. I hope you found this interesting in some way. I just don't get a lot of chance to play with makeup anymore and haven't filmed in a long time, so that it'll be fun just to do both. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again maybe soon. We'll see. Bye.